Welcome to Island of Eire. We are going to talk about how to obtain your SPSV driver license step by step. For people who still don't have driving license, first of all, they have to obtain driver's learner permit. After passing learner permit, you have to take 12 driving lessons. Then you can book practical driving test for full Irish license. After you obtain your full Irish license, you have to be 21-year-old to book SPUSV driver test. There are two modules for the test. One is industry knowledge and the second is area knowledge test. Area knowledge test is specific to the county you want to operate your taxi. After you pass both modules, then you can apply for SPSV driver license. We will make further videos to explain more about taxi industry and SPSV vehicle and driver license. If you have any question, please comment below and don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you.